together through dust and flame. Two black hats, but worn out.
More time than money, but if you got the money, you might as well spend less time. This will be done, foreseen by 2026. So we're going to take you guys on a journey to see how we tear things apart, how we develop things, and how we go from there. So we'll see you soon.
Thank you. Hey folks, it's Gage. We're back with a huge update on Todd Francisco's 1970 Ford Thunderbird. I asked if he wanted to do a burnout for us and for you guys here on the channel, and we're going to do our best to cover the extent of this burnout. Alrighty folks, here he comes. I got a weird feeling Todd Francisco is going to come back and say, my motor's broken. It wouldn't line lock. I have to tear the whole thing down because...
Is that fun?
That was cool to watch. What'd you think of it? It seemed like I was having a hard time.
It was weak. It was weak. Wait till next year. It's a 1970 Thunderbird. We're going to tear it apart again. This will be my last time for a long time. I want to build it to where I can do anything with it. Take it anywhere I want. Drive it. Beat it. Tear it up. But still look good. So the problem is that some of this is new and some of it's old, and I got to get it all new because it's not safe. Braking, like when you see the burnout just a second ago,
it was running from you.
It wasn't stopping the car. I was
Yeah.
pushing the front tire. So I want to get new rims. We're going to frame it off, redo the brake lines, fuel injection, new parts of the motor, update the interior a little bit. She gave me grease. She must be too hot.
Yeah, it sounded like it was almost choking.
Well, it's called it's pinging because it's got high compression, 11-to-1 compression heads and pistons. So the compression is so high that the gas that I need to use it is like racing fuel, like jet fuel, high octane, and I'm going to change it to where I can run 87 octane gas in it. So. But it'll look the same. It'll just be better, cleaner, smoother.
Same color?
I don't know. I'm debating. I saw this really cool car that had a Hot Wheel red chrome. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know because I'm so far into the color purple already.
I was going to say color, like the purple is your color.
So I'm going to do a lot of trick stuff to it. New air ride, everything. So. But yeah, it's going to be, it'll look the same, but it'll be run a lot better and ride a lot better. I'll be able to go to California in it, stuff like that.
Totally.
So there's things I've always wanted to do to it. It's just going to take some time, but more time than money. But if you got the money, you might as well spend less time.
Amen. And where do you like to do that?
Muscle Car Concepts.
Amen. And why?
I don't know. I've just known Todd for a long time, and he helps me. He actually, the goal in this build, I don't want to do it 100% myself. Todd's just going to show me, tell me, teach me. I want to paint it, buff it, everything. So weld it, grind it. I got the motors at my house sitting in the garage. So.
Oh, you're not going to use this motor?
Oh, I got another one just like it. So. But it's
11-to-1 still.
Now I'm going to change it to 9-to-1, and then it's going to have roller cam, roller rockers, aluminum heads, all that stupid stuff. But stuff that doesn't really need to be. But I don't know. It's only money. You always can make it.
Do you have any last words or maybe something you would like to look back on when it's done in the future and you could go,
No, the thing is, when I built this initially, the problem is that I didn't have the money, so I only used what I could to get where I needed to be. So this thing's been painted, rebuilt 3 times. So this would be the last build, and that'd be I did this last build, just the front end portion of it, from the interior dash up forward is all new, but everything behind it's 70. So I can't say I wouldn't do anything differently, but I would just do it better. So, but this time I can say that I built it, and I'm gonna take it to SEMA this next year. That's the goal. So I don't have very many. I got actually SEMA starts next week, but I got about a year. So my goal is, I don't care if I get to car shoes or what, but if I'm still working on it during the summer next year, I'm gonna do it. So this will be done for SEMA 2026. So we're gonna take you guys on a journey to see how we tear things apart, how we develop things, and how we go from there. So we'll see you soon.
Thank you.
I put WD-40 in the hinges. Now it shuts like that. Before you had to go like this.
Well, you shut it earlier, just
You opened it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on, let me squatch in here. Ugh.
Francisco, I gotta be so low for this just to get the right angles.
You go lower.
I know you can.
Hey, I don't know if you guys got a sticker in my car.
I do, yeah. I definitely take more.
Hey, this is the old sticker. Wait till you get a new sticker.
Where's the new sticker?
The car's got to be finished to get the new sticker.